cow is being closely guarded by a mature bull with his much larger antlers. The females are busy feeding up for the winter, but the bull has other things on his mind. The cow is playing hard to get. She heads off with her admirer in pursuit. Several other bulls join in the chase. She's out in front, but the amorous males are gaining on her. The big bull breaks off his chase to deal with a rival. But now he's fallen behind the other challengers. The younger bulls with their lighter antlers keep up with the cow more easily, but as the pace slows, the older bull catches up. Again, he has to stop and fight. A decisive victory for the big male. He's earned the respect of the vanquished bulls, and they now trail in his wake. It's now become a game of Grandma's footsteps. One look from the boss, and the young bloods freeze in their tracks. The exhausted bull guards his prize, but he'll need to recover before he's able to make the most of his victory.